My name is Hiccup. Hold up. Oh, that's a big book. Why, thank you. Hey, zoom in a little bit. Down. That's perfect. Adventures with Dragons by Hiccup, Horrendously, Haddock. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. It wasn't all that unusual for Berk to be under attack. Fire-breathing, sheep-stealing, cloud-cleaving dragon. Is this thing on? It doesn't seem to be focusing correctly. That's it. Yeah, Gobber the Belch. That's me. Gobber, you're too close. You can't stand so close to the... Oh, this is fine right here. You guys see me great, right? What? Hold up. Are you gonna tell my story? Hey, what's up, Hiccup? Oh, that's a big book. Why, thank you. These guys were about to read it without me. Never. Yeah. Guys, if you're gonna hear my story, I'm gonna have to come along for the ride. See you later, Hiccup. Wait, don't you wanna? I'm good. I've heard it all before. Okay, just me and you. Wow, that is a big book. Hey, zoom in a little bit. Down. That's perfect. Just want to make sure you guys see the most important feature of this book. No, not Toothless. By Hiccup, Horrendously, Haddock. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. That's me, in case you didn't know. So take a load off and relax. And I'll read you the first pages of Adventures with Dragons, a pop-up history. Berk. There were dragons when I was a boy. Where they went, only a few of us know. Our story changed the world forever. This is the one true history of dragons. My name is Hiccup. I am a 7th generation Viking from a rocky island called Berk. It's the only home I've ever known until recently. It was a peaceful place to grow up, some of the time. But mostly, it was chaotic. Years ago, it wasn't all that unusual for Berk to be under attack from fire-breathing, sheep-stealing, cloud-cleaving dragons. And we couldn't seem to keep them from seizing our provisions on a regular basis. The dragons were real trouble. We Vikings had been fighting them for generations with weapons like catapults, fire towers, and massive slingshots. Gobber was our resident blacksmith and maker of these incredible weapons. I was his apprentice. I'd built a ball and rope launching mangler myself. I was crafty that way. Still am. But my father, Stoick the Vast, didn't want me using any weapons. He thought I was too small to get near dragons. We were both wrong about a lot of things, especially dragons. I didn't have a lot of friends growing up. Other kids my age were more interested in battling dragons than hanging out with me. Gobber was a great friend and mentor who always wanted me by his side during an attack, mostly so I wouldn't be in everyone's way. Hey, that's me. There I am. That's so cool, Hiccup, that you put me in your book. Is this thing on? It doesn't seem to be focusing correctly. That's it. Yeah, Gobber the Belch. That's me. Gobber, you're too close. You can't stand so close to the... Oh, this is fine right here. You guys see me great, right? Gobber, don't crowd the camera. I think people get the point. Can I continue telling my story? Oh, go ahead, Hiccup. I didn't mean to get in your way. No worries. Does not look like me at all. I never run, only fight. Dad felt the same way as Gobber. He didn't want me in the way either. I get it. I know my dad loved me. But we didn't always see eye to eye. I just wanted him to understand me. It took me befriending a dragon, the most dangerous dragon of all, before Dad and I finally understood each other. It was an intense week, and it was only the beginning of our time with dragons.